Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn how to deploy an Elastic Beanstalk application in AWS. Let's start by navigating to the Elastic Beanstalk service, then click on Create Application. Give your application a name, then select a platform. I'm going to select Python and then choose Upload your code. Let's grab a sample Python.zip file from this AWS developer guide and upload it. Click on Create Application, then give it a few minutes for the workflow to complete. Click on the Test Applications link and you should see your live web page. Next, let's unzip the Python.zip file and edit the application.pui file. Here, I'm going to add version 2 to my h1 tag, then save this file. Next, select these three files, right-click, and compress to create an archive.zip file. Click on Upload and Deploy, then choose archive.zip, then hit Deploy. Give it a few minutes for the deployment to complete, then head to the test applications web link and hit refresh. As expected, we see our changes reflected in the live link. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.